Listen up. Most people think turning $100 into $10,000 isn't possible. They're dead wrong. I'm about to show you 5 proven ways to 100x your money. Yes, no BS, just results. And if you're wondering why you should listen to me, I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit with my business, so I know a thing or two about making money from the comfort of my home. So let's cut through the noise and get straight to the methods that actually work. I've personally used these strategies to generate serious cash, and I've seen countless other people do the same thing. The only difference between them and the people still struggling is that they took action while others made excuses. Method number 1, the PTP method. You basically productize your knowledge using AI. What's amazing with this method is that you're selling solutions, not your time, and everyone, I can guarantee it, has knowledge worth paying for. Yes, even you. Step 1 is crafting a high-value offer, an offer that can be expensive. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to identify what problems people are desperate to solve in your field. I don't care if you think you're not an expert, you know more than someone out there who's willing to pay for that knowledge. Here's the brutal truth. People don't care about your credentials. They care if you can solve their problem. Package your solution into an offer priced at $1,000 at the bare minimum, but it should be more. Yes, you heard me right, $1,000 minimum. Underpricing, it signals low value. Let me break this down even further. If you're, let's say, good at social media marketing, don't just sell social media services. It's boring, generic, and means nothing. Sell guaranteed Instagram growth for fitness professionals, or a TikTok client acquisition system for real estate agents. Specificity sells. General offers don't. Step 2 is generating appointments. And this is where most people fail, because they are afraid of rejection. Get over it. Use AI to craft personalized outreach messages and start connecting with potential clients. You want to set up a simple scheduling tool like Calendly and focus entirely on converting those leads into sales. You can get started for free with this. The worst part is, I see people spending hours perfecting their website or logo when they should be spending that time talking to potential clients. Your first 10 clients won't come from your pretty website. They will come from direct conversations. For step 3, you want to deliver the service extraordinarily well. Start with one-to-one coaching and refine your approach. Then you can scale by transitioning to group coaching. Or you can start with done-for-you services. Here's when it gets powerful. Charge clients $1,500, pay freelancers $300 to $500 to do the work, and you keep the difference. That way you can sell anything even if you don't know how to do it yourself. I know people personally who do this and make 7 figures a year. And I recently helped a client implement this exact system. She went from making $0 to over $12,000 per month in just 60 days. The startup cost was virtually nothing, just her time and commitment to make it happen. That is the PTP method. It's simple, but it's ridiculously effective. The only thing standing between you and success with this method is literally just your willingness to start. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Method 2, AI-powered digital product creation. Now, digital products are the ultimate leverage. You only have to create them once and then they can sell infinitely. And with AI tools, creation is faster than ever. Think about ebooks, templates, online courses, anything that solves a specific problem. You can use Jasper AI to write content and Canva for design. Then you can sell on platforms like Etsy or Shopify or System.io. Here's a real example. Someone I know was struggling to pay rent. She started creating AI-enhanced templates for small businesses on Etsy. Within 3 months, she was making $4,000 per month from products that took hours, not weeks to create. The key is solving specific problems for specific people. You don't want to create generic garbage. Create something targeted that delivers immediate value. Price it between $47 and $97, and you'd need to sell about 200 units to hit your $10,000 goal. Most people overthink starting an online business. They spend months creating the perfect product that they never launch. Instead, create version 1 in a weekend, then get it out there and improve based on the feedback you get. Perfectionism is the enemy of profit. Let me get even more tactical here. Look at what's already selling well on these platforms. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. If Instagram post templates are selling like crazy, create better Instagram post templates. Add your unique twist, enhance the quality, and improve the user experience. The best part about selling AI digital products is the profit margins. Once your product is created, there's essentially zero cost to sell an another copy. Every sale becomes nearly pure profit. Compare that to physical products with manufacturing costs, shipping hassles, and inventory management. The difference is night and day. Now you want to start with one solid AI digital product, perfect the marketing, gather testimonials, and even build a small audience. Then you can launch your second product to an audience that already trusts you. That is how you compound your success. Method 3. Faceless YouTube automation. This is perfect if you hate being on camera, but you still want that sweet YouTube money. And contrary to what gatekeepers tell you, the YouTube gold rush is far from being over. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche with high viewer interest and decent ad rates, like finance, relationship, and health consistently perform really well. Step 2. Use AI to write engaging scripts. Focus on topics people are actively searching for. Tools like vidIQ can help identify these opportunities. Step 3. Get AI-generated voiceovers that sound surprisingly human. No one is going to even know the difference. Step 4. Use simple editing softwares that you can get for free, or later on, hire editors from platforms like Fiverr for $20 to $50 to even $100 a video. Once your channel hits the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscriber mark, you're eligible for monetization. But you don't just want to rely on ad revenue. That is what amateurs do. The real money comes from affiliate marketing and selling your own products within your videos. I know a guy who started a faceless YouTube channel about home workout equipment. He's posting 3 videos per week, all created using the same system, and he's making $7,500 per month in affiliate commissions alone. Once you have the process down, you can create multiple channels or increase your uploading frequency. What separates successful channels from failures is consistency and value. Most people quit after 10 videos when they don't see immediate results, but the algorithm rewards persistence and consistency, which is why you want to commit to creating 30 videos minimum before you even think about quitting. And here's an insider tip. Focus on creating timeless content. How-to and explainer videos continue generating views years after publishing. That's passive income at its finest. One good video can earn for years while you sleep. Method number 4, investing in passive income assets. Now, let's talk about something that requires more upfront capital, but delivers consistent cash flow. Small businesses with physical assets. Vending machines and laundromats are a perfect example. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, they're unsexy, but that's precisely why they're profitable. Everyone wants to be an Instagram influencer while ignoring these cash cows. So let's break down a mini laundromat business. You can find used machines for about $1,000 each. Start with 4 machines placed in an apartment complex. Each machine can generate around $3,000 per month in revenue with minimal maintenance. That's $1,200 a month from a $4,000 investment. Within 10 months, you've hit your $10,000 goal and still own the assets and still keep making money. I saw this guy online who started with just 2 vending machines in a local gym. He reinvested every dollar of profit into buying more machines, and within 18 months, he had 30 machines generating over $18,000 per month. It's crazy. And the best part about these businesses is that they're recession-proof. People always need to wash clothes and grab snacks. So while trendy businesses come and go, these boring money machines keep pumping out profits. Now let me address the obvious objection. But I don't have $4,000 to start. Start smaller. Buy 1 machine. Use the profits to buy the second, then the third. You build momentum like that through disciplined reinvestment. That's how you start with little and end up with a huge empire. The key to success with physical assets is location quality and maintenance efficiency. A vending machine in a high-traffic area with the right product mix can outperform 10 machines in poor locations. You want to do your research before placing any asset. Now, unfortunately, we're not allowed to share everything on YouTube, which is why I've recorded a free video to show you how I made over $1,000 a day in profit from my laptop. And right now, we're also offering a few free consultation calls with me or my team to help you come up with a game plan to reach financial freedom in 90 days or less using the PTP method. Now, I highly suggest you click the link in the description below when you're done watching this video. But be quick, because spots fill up extremely fast and soon we'll be forced to take the video down. Method number 5, flipping items for profit. This method is the most accessible for anyone starting with just $100, and it's also the most traditional. Start by hunting for undervalued items at garage sales, thrift stores, and estate sales. Focus on items you already know something about. Some people make a killing doing this with literally Pokemon cards. Resell them online through eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or specialized platforms. Don't try to flip everything. Become an expert in vintage clothing, collectible toys, or refurbished electronics. Knowledge creates margin. For example, I saw a guy who exclusively flips vintage denim jeans. He can spot valuable pairs instantly. He typically pays $15 to $20 per pair and sells them for $150 to $300 each. It's a huge profit. His phone app notifies him of estate sales in wealthy neighborhoods, and he's the first in line every weekend. To scale this business, you want to reinvest aggressively. You start with $100, flip items for $300, and you use that $300 to buy more inventory. Rinse and repeat. Now, obviously, you probably won't be making $50,000 a month with this, but if you just want to make 5-10K per month, it's great. Within 6 months of consistent effort, you can reasonably reach $10,000 through compounding growth of your inventory and increasing your knowledge of profitable items. Now, here's what most beginners do wrong when they try to resell stuff online. They buy what they personally like rather than what sells. This isn't about what you want or about your taste. It's about what the market wants. If you're reselling stuff that nobody wants, even if you really like it, you're not going to make money. Research completed listings on eBay to see what actually sells and for how much. Another pro tip is to build relationships with estate sales companies and thrift store managers. They will start setting aside items for you, giving you first access before they hit the sales floor. And these relationships are literally worth their weight in gold. Look, what separates the winners from the whiners? It's consistent execution. No side hustle or business model works overnight. None works without effort. Some are easier than others, yes, and all have created multiple millionaires from humble beginnings. But most people are going to watch this video, get excited for 20 minutes, then go right back to scrolling through social media. You don't want to be like most people. Pick one method that resonates with your skills and situation. Focus exclusively on that method for 90 days minimum. Master the fundamentals before trying to innovate. The people who fail in business typically try multiple ventures all at the same time, or they jump between them weekly. That is a recipe for disaster. Why? Because success requires you to focus intensely over time. Nobody gets rich overnight. I see too many people chasing the next shiny object instead of mastering one proven system. They start a YouTube channel, then 2 weeks later, they quit that for crypto trading, and they end up making zero progress on all fronts. This scattered brain approach guarantees failure. Remember, turning $100 into $10,000 is absolutely achievable. I've done it, and countless other people have done it too. But it requires something that most people aren't willing to give: commitment. Your excuses don't pay the bills, your actions do. Every person who's achieved financial freedom started where you are right now, with a decision to take control of their financial future. So which one of these 5 methods are you going to implement? The opportunity is there. The question is, are you? Don't tell me what you're going to do. Show me your results. Because while everyone's talking about making money, the real players are out there quietly executing these strategies and building wealth day by day. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the time to share everything with you in this video because it would be 3 hours long if I did. But if you want to discover the simple process I've been using to literally make upwards of $1,000 per day in profit with my business with no startup cost and no previous experience, I invite you to check out the free training I made for you in the description below. But be quick, because I don't know for how long I'm going to keep sharing this stuff for free. With that being said, I'll see you on the other side.